Look at those hot dogs.
Yeah, it's like tomorrow afternoon, man. Throw them out there.
Oh, and here's what I'm gonna go start the grill right now.
Yeah.
And then I'm gonna take a shower because that's gonna take a while for that to get.
Vinny, whatever you gotta do, man.
I need a lighter.
So these wings, I'm gonna throw them up there. Sorry, Granny.
See what we got here. Just step back a second.
Alright.
I'm gonna need that pepper and onion out. You can take that out now.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Oh,
This is your money just for the sausage.
What's in that bag over there? We gotta bring
Hold
That's
on,
Dave's little variety pack.
we got.
Do we got?